Today we're breaking down the KD15s. Got them in. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Zach here with Tamsters Kicks, and like I said, we are breaking down the KD15s. Super new basketball shoe. Came out not too long ago, and I was hyped to get these ones in because they took off the strap from the KD14. So I'm excited. I already hooped in them. Got a couple of basketball clips in there. We're going to try something a little new with my basketball shoe reviews. Get some actual footage of me playing in the shoe. So we're going to throw those in the video today. But before we get into that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. Comment down below if you guys are hooping in these ones, trying to get them. I appreciate the support. It helps push this video and this channel up. I'm trying to get as close as I can to 1,000 subs. It's a big goal I've had, so hit that subscribe button for you, boy. Let's get into it. Alright, so the KD15 just released, I believe it was June 27th. It was around the end of June, and these ones retailed at $150. And like I said, we have finally taken the stupid strap off of the KD14s. I don't like straps, and I'm glad they took those off because I really like these ones without the straps. Traction pattern is super grippy and works well on almost all court surfaces. And one very good thing about basically all KD shoes is you can wear these outside, you can wear them inside, you can wear them basically anywhere, and they play very nice. Traction was super grippy as I hooped in them. A little bit of dust pickup, but it was very minimal, and at first they were a little hard to get used to, but they played very well after a little bit, and a little bit similar to a little Kobe 9 Tractions. I've heard a lot of different people say that. I think I'd have to break them in a lot longer, but definitely the little softer rubber panels here all along that traction unit on the outsole give a lot of Kobe 9 vibes. I get similar vibes for sure, but I did like the traction pattern, pretty grippy. The cushion stays true to all things they did well on the KD14. So the Strobo board is a full-length Zoom Air. You have the Cushlon back here, and it's basically the same thing as the KD14's exact same cushion setup, which was fine because I thought it was pretty good. I don't know if it was a combination of the outsole and the cushion in here, but the first like 20-30 minutes of me playing in these, my feet were hurting. So it didn't have a very nice bounce off the beginning, but definitely as I started playing them more, they felt really well, and the cushion, like I said, was just the same as the 14s. So if you got the 14s, you'll like these ones. The materials are lightweight, comfortable, and they are definitely fire because there's no strap. I'm so happy they took away the strap, and the tech specs are almost the same as the 14s, but they took the strap away, add a little bit different details here, a little bit different reinforcement with support and stuff like that, but the materials are pretty nice on these. The colorway is cool. I like the different details that they did on the tongue to change it up a little bit as well. And they replaced that support strap with these two plastic pieces like I was saying. You have a little bit of textile details all across the upper as far as materials go, and then a little bit of a torsion, old Nike Torch. You guys remember that Torch system? It's kind of a little bit of nods they did here to finish out the materials, but pretty fire. The fit, I went up a size on the 14s. Do not go up on them on these ones because I went up a half size again and they were huge on me. So much dead space back here in the heel, which basically comes from them being too big. So don't go up a half size. True to fit, 1-to-1. I didn't honestly try on an 11. These are still the half size bigger, so I don't know if they're going to be too tight for my wide footers, but if you go up a half a size, they're going to be too big. So definitely true to size. Now the support, the KD model has transitioned into more of a lower cut basketball shoe, which I absolutely love. KD does like it, and you can see that a lot of his shoes have that transition now into this lower style, and I like it because you sit lower, you feel better to the court, just kind of feels more like the shoe isn't there, which is the best part of a basketball shoe for me. I just like to be able to go and play, so I like that about these ones. Traction, 9 out of 10. I want to play in them more because they could feel like a Kobe 9 over time as they break in. They look like a Kobe 9, but 9 out of 10 is pretty solid on them, and that also goes along with the cushion. It's going to be an 8.5 out of 10. It could be a little lower, honestly, but at first it just hurts. It's like a 5 out of 10, but give it like 30 minutes, an hour, and the cushion starts to break in well. Material 7.5. I wasn't the biggest fan of the textile And I know they're trying to add some piece of support with that, taking away the strap, but I don't know how I feel about these plastic pieces. They kind of just squish your foot in the tighter you tie the shoe, so not much. I kind of like how like the Kyrie Infinities had those like hidden straps inside that would keep you locked in, but not the best there with the materials. Fits an 8 out of 10 as well. Just because if I do go down a half size, I don't know how they're gonna fit, but a half size up, I was yanking the laces to get them to tie on my foot. So not too high on the fit, but it is pretty solid. And finally, the support, an 8 out of 10 as well. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about those plastic pieces. They feel better than a strap for sure for me, but for a lower cut shoe, it's pretty solid, and I really like these ones. Like I said, they're some bad boys, and they could be a very good shoe over time, play well indoor, outdoor. That's going to be it for the video today, guys. Let me know what you think about the KD 15s, and we'll see you on the next one.